So what is delta anyways, and how do you read it? Well, let me show you. This is what's called an order flow footprint chart. You have orders flowing into the candles. You've got your sell side and you've got your buy side. And in there you can detect where the imbalances are. And delta is the sum total of the bar of the orders of the bar. So in this candle right here, you have a candle that says negative 2,855. What that means is that there's 2,855 more aggressive sellers in this candle than there are buyers. Okay, if it was positive, it would be green for one thing. It would be lime green, and it would say not negative, but just a 2,855, and that would be more buyers than sellers. Okay, so but this instance, you have more selling, more selling, more selling. So you have this big push downward. You can see this candle right here was a big shove down. This one continued, and then the trend continues down, and you just have continually more selling happening here. A momentary pause, and a push, and a push, and a push. And you can finally still see more selling coming in here, more selling coming in here, and then you flatline, and then you have a reaction up, right? So this is, you can watch the sellers fade right here, down to, you got this delta doji here, which means you have a green bar with negative sellers going on. So that is indicative of a bottom. It means that bottoms are typically close, if not outright in one. And then you have buyers come in. So you can watch the selling pressure fade. You can watch buyers step in, chop up a little bit, and then more buying to the upside that coincides with the price movement up. Okay, so you can watch the buyers jump into this market right here, and then you can watch this move, this pullback fade, right? 1,289 more buyers in this candle than sellers, and then 600, and then you flip to the negative, another negative, and then more selling coming in with a 3-bar rotation right here as you failed to break this structure. Okay, that's how you read delta. It is a way to read the magnitude of each candle, and the way for you to watch buyers. In this instance here, buyers leave the market and sellers enter, and then down here, sellers enter and buyers enter. Okay, that's how it works. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.